Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Today we'll be looking at matrices. Okay, paper 2 type, and we're looking at inverse. Okay, how to find the inverse. Okay, now sometimes they can give you a matrix like matrix A is equal to 2, and then here it's -3, here it is -4, here it is 5, and then they tell you find A inverse. That symbol means inverse, A to the power -1. What's the first thing you do? You first find the determinant. Okay, I taught you how to find the determinant in the previous lesson. So determinant of what? Determinant of matrix A. Okay, matrix A is equal to, okay, let me bring the matrix here first. Matrix A. What is matrix A? Okay, matrix A was the 2, -4, 2, -4, 5, -3. Okay, 5, -3. So when you're calculating the determinant, we'll say determinant of A is equal to, you multiply that 2 times that -3. So you say 2 times -3. Since times are negative here, so you put them in brackets like this. Okay, and then you put square brackets outside like this so that you can close. Okay, and then you say minus, and then again there it's 5 times -4. You see that it's going, so you say 5 times -4. Okay, 5 times -4, 5 times -4. I'll put negative there. We had 5 times -4 in close brackets and then square brackets outside is equal to 2 times this 2 times -3 to be -6. This negative here, okay, that negative there, you bring it here, and then 5 times -4 again is negative what? -20. Okay, because of this you put brackets here because there are two negatives following one another, so it will be -6. These two negatives make a +20. We are continuing. So determinant of A is equal to -6 +20. It will give me +14. -6 plus 20 is +14. That is the determinant. Now let's go to, because when you're finding the inverse, first you find the determinant. So we are continuing. Now how do you find the inverse? Inverse is equal to 1. You always put 1 on top. Okay? Inverse is equal to inverse of A is equal to 1 over the determinant, the one you found. What determinant did you find? You found the determinant of what? 14. So you say 1 over 14. Okay, 1 over 14, and then you put this. Okay, and then the first thing you do, you go back to the original matrix. Okay, your original matrix. So when you are finding the inverse, what happens? You see these two here. These two comes where 3 is. 3 goes where 2 is. The reverse. Okay? Okay? 2 goes where 3 is. You see the ones that are circled. Negative 3 goes where 2 is. This is actually negative 3, not just 3. This is negative 3. Okay? Negative 3. That one is actually negative what? Negative 3. This one. Okay. Negative 3. Yes. So negative 3 goes where 2 is. And then 2 goes where negative 3 is. So you come back to the original matrix. Okay? So negative 3 will come where 2 is. And then 2 will go where negative 3 is. They swap positions. 2 goes where negative 3 is. Negative 3 goes where 2 is. Is that clear? You switch positions. Okay? That's the first one. And then when you are done, you go to the second thing you do is these ones reverse signs. Okay? This one and that one. Okay? Negative 4 and 5. They reverse their signs, not exchange signs, reverse. So negative 4, it will reverse. What's the reverse of negative 4? It is 4. This one. The reverse of negative 4 is 4. So where there's negative 4, I'll put what? 4. The negative would disappear. Okay? What is the reverse of 5? Positive 5, what is this reverse? It's negative 5. The opposite of positive 5 is negative 5. So you're just reversing their signs. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. So this one was negative 4, it has become positive 4. This one is positive 5, it has become negative 5. Okay? That one reverses signs. So it has become negative 5. And then now you multiply what is outside with what is inside. So this negative 1 over 4 multiplies negative 3. So negative 1 over 4 times 3, it will become negative 3 over 14. Again, 1 over 4 times negative 5, it will become negative 5 over 14. Again, 1 over 4 times 4, it will become 4 over 14. 1 over 4 again times 2, it becomes 2 over 14. See, all the numbers there, they will be over 14. This one will be over 14, this one over 14, this one over 14, this one over 14. Then, this is the inverse. Okay? That is the inverse. Okay? So you continue solving. Of course, you when you're solving, go downwards. I'm just putting another matrix here so that you understand. But you when you're solving, go downwards. So it's just negative 3 over 4, negative 5 over 14. Have you seen this one? 2 into 4, it's 2. 2 into 14, it's 7. So here it's 2 over 7. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 14, 7. So it will be 1 over 7. Okay? So that's the answer. If you want, you can end here. If you want, you can end here. Okay? That's how you do it. Okay, let's go on example 2. Again, example 2. Matrix B is equal to -4, 5, -2, -3. Open, closed. Find B inverse. Last time I was teaching you how to find the determinant, so you already know how to find the determinant, but now we're dealing with how to find the inverse. Okay, so before you find the inverse, the first thing you do is you find the determinant. I think I explained this. Before you find the inverse, you find the determinant. So what is it? The matrix B is equal to, the matrix B is equal to -4, 2, -4, -2. Then the -3, 5, -3, 5. So you say determinant of B is equal to, I told you this one, -4 multiplies 5, so to be -4 times 5, okay, and then in brackets, okay, minus, open bracket again, -3 times, you see this -3, you multiply it with -2, okay, that -3, the other side, you multiply it this other side, times -2 in cross brackets, and then square brackets. So it means even here the brackets that should come here, it's square brackets, okay, that's negative, so it means these ones should come for like this because of those two negatives. And then that will be equal to -4 times 5, it will become -20. Then this negative here comes here, and then -3 -3 here times -2, it will become +6. So to give me -26. Have you seen that we found the inverse? After finding the inverse, that's when you can do the determinant. So we are proceeding. You say determinant, we're waiting on determinant. We now find the inverse now. So it will be B inverse is equal to 1 over. We said, remember I said whenever I find the inverse, it's 1 over the determinant you have found. 1 over the determinant. What is my determinant? It is negative what? It's -26, that one. My determinant is actually -26, that one. Okay, that is the determinant, -26. So I'll say 1 over determinant, so 1 over -26, and then I bring the matrix, this one. Then I go to the original matrix. That's what I said last time. I said I go to the original matrix. That's why I swap those. Remember what I said? So I go to the original what? Original matrix. What is my original matrix? Let's go back to the original matrix. The original matrix is where? The one that is in the question. This one. What did I say when you're finding the inverse? I said this one switches position with that one. -5, 5 here goes where -4 is. -4 here comes where 5 is. That's the first step you do. You switch positions. So 5 goes where -4 is. -4 comes where 5 was. They switch positions. Okay? That's the first step. Then the next step is this one and that one. They reverse their signs. Okay? This one is -2. What is the opposite of -2? +2. So opposite of -2 is +2. Okay? And then also opposite of -3 there. What's opposite of -3? +3. See, those ones reverse their signs. +3. You remember? Then I said that negative multiplies with everything inside the brackets. So here again you multiply, that will be 5 over negative 26. The negative goes down. Again 3 over negative 26. And then we have got 2 over, again, you multiply this times 2. So that will be negative 26 down again. Again to be negative 4 over 26, negative 26. Okay, and then it's like this, is equal to, what is my final answer? Okay, so there it will be 5 over negative 26. Okay, and then it will be 3 over negative 26. Okay, and then when you come here, 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 2 down is 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 6, it's 3. Okay, so it will be with negative there, 2 into 2 1, 2 into 2 1, so it will be 1 over negative 13, because 2 into 20 into 26 is 13. Same here, this negative will cancel with this negative. Okay, the negative there on top on 4 cancels the negative on 26. Okay, since they are both negatives up and down, so we cancel them out. And then 2 into 4, it's 2. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 6, 3. Okay, so it will be 2 on top over 13. That is the inverse. Or if you want, you can just leave it this side without simplifying it. Still both answers are same. Okay, having done that, I think you have understood. Basically, we said the exchange positions and then the others reverse their signs. So based on that knowledge, try this exercise. Yeah, try this exercise. Question 1, a is equal to 2, negative 1, 3, 4. Okay, find a inverse. Question 2, b is equal to negative 5, negative 3, 2, negative 4. Find b inverse. 3, c is equal to negative 4, negative 6, negative 5, negative 2. Find C inverse. Question 4. Z is equal to negative 1, 2, negative 3, 4. Find the inverse of Z. Okay. Lastly, okay, that is the end. So try those and then submit your answers.